Okay, good morning, everyone. Today is 18th of September, and I can't just go without talking about what I'm saying. I'm saying a 1,000 pips possible movement happening for UAUD and GPAUD. Yes, and I said I should talk about it, but we are at a very, very key area right now. That's what I'm even talking about it. And what's the key area we are? If I should go to the higher time frame, you see that UAUD has been trending perfectly well. So this one is very, very fast. Look at UAUD has been trending perfectly well, doing, breaking to the upside, changing character to the upside, 0.3 retracement, broke structure again, retrace to 0.5, broke to the upside again, 0.786 now. We are 0.5 retracement level here, and we are about going back to the upside. So it's a good trend, and whatever we do in this market, we try to look for good trending markets to take trades from. Are you getting? So UAUD is trending perfectly well. That's why I'm even talking about it. So if I should take all these guys off, I don't know why UAUD has been suffering since yesterday. So I will drop the lower time frame to show you something you don't know. And what is that thing? Let me go to the hourly chart. Okay. On the hourly chart, or probably a daily chart, let me still be on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we broke structure to the upside. So we waited for a retracement. If you go and watch my UAUD video, are you getting it? There's a video I did on UAUD. I think it combined, what's it called? Analysis I did on UAUD and what's it called? I did a UAUD on that video also. So where are we right now? Let me show you something. We do something called impulse retracement in this business, and we, after even that impulse and retracement back to 0.5, 0.618, what's it called, previous demand zones. Are you getting previous resistance now turned into demand zones? We usually wait for what a price action pattern to tell us that the market has actually done was switched to the upside. So hold on, let me try and look at that. I don't know why it's on this misbehavior. Okay, let me use this and try to do something. Why is it not removing this? So probably I'll just use on that one. So as it stands right now, I have this UAUD. You can see that I even have a support trend line coming from the downside, so which is directly corresponding with what's happening right now, because this is a break of structure. And also meeting at 0.5 retracement levels. It has been perfect, to this 1,200 pips trade from 18588, 1.58885 all the way to 1.700. It means about 1,000 pips, 1,200 pips trade. We broke the upside now. We did this polish retracement now. Are we in an uptrend again? I think so. So I dropped to my lower time frame to see if I can find something, and the two things I could find was, a bullish reversal chart pattern, which is on the 4-hourly time frame, which is a bearish, a bullish engulfing pattern. Then I even went further to the lower time frame to see if there's anything that is telling me that, okay, yes, this thing is really bullish. Yes. This morning I took a sniper's entry from this area, and what can you see here? A what? What can you see here? This is a head and shoulders pattern, and is a reversal chart pattern that if you test, are you getting it? It will continue going to the upside. Are you getting now? It has retested, and it retested with even what? Look at, with a morning, what's it called? A morning star. And that's the bullish reversal chart pattern that will continue this market to the upside. So it has been printing very, very well according to my market structure and price action strategy. That's why I decided to talk about it, because as it stands right now, if you are retracing from 0.5 area, if you have not taken this trade, are you getting this seen morning star, even on 30 minutes, you're even seeing it very clearly. If you have not taken this, 0.5, 0.618 sell, sorry, buy, which even gave a morning star and has done about how many pips? I think about 100 pips to the 100, about 100 and something pips, 460. Now this we're 100 pips to the upside right now. I think about 130 pips to the upside now. It just retraced and give us a morning star again. So as long as we're not breaking below 1.640, I getting it. My stop loss is underneath here right now, or some underneath here, because we're not even supposed to break below this. If we break below this, we're coming back all the way down. You get it? So this is a very, very tight trade and sweet trade. I just said I should bring into your attention. If you have capital to trade, take this trade right now. I get it? It's a buy to the upside. So I'll be taking more entries immediately, continues trend to the upside. So a lot of people are saying something else. And what is that thing? They are saying that, this market actually broke down from a price action pattern. What's the price action pattern? The market actually, if I should go to the higher time frame, the market actually broke down from, if I should take this off, let me take this off. Let me take the Fibonacci tools off. So what you should look out for? What you should look out for? This. Look at, there's something here, so don't neglect it. This was our previous support areas. I guess, and this was our previous support that's broken right now. So a retest on it and not breaking to the upside definitely would send this market continuation to the downside to take out this liquidity. So where we are right now is very important. Let me show you why it's very important. Where we are right now is very important because if the market really wants to continue to the downside, this is where it will break, invalidate that, and continue to come and take all this liquidity out. But where we are right now, if it does not break it, is a good entry to continue to the upside. And getting to continue back to the upside, even if this is a descending triangle that is valid descending triangle that's broken right now. I think we still would have the ability of coming back even to the upside. Are you getting coming back from 5560 right now, where we're right now, to 55 and up to 6660. That's about under 100 pips to the upside before you getting to come to the downside, or just continue breaking to the downside to take these liquidities out. Because if it's going to break that particular area we are right now, these are all liquidities which we need to come and take. These are all liquidities to come and take, and it will take the very last of it to 620. That's about another 320 pips to the downside from here. So is that you take a trade to the downside, or you continue taking a trade to the upside, because this whole area will not turn to a fake out. This whole movement will not turn, this breakdown will not turn to a fake out. So for people that have been shorting just the transaction pattern, which is the same triangle, because a lot of people will take interest from here to put their stop loss maybe above here or above here, thinking that, okay, the market has continued to the downside. The entire market is still in an uptrend. Don't forget, the entire market is still in an uptrend. So I think I will follow, trend. The trend is my friend. So, and this is a retracement I'm saying. So if it's going to continue, I'll follow the trend. I'll keep my trade. And if we have a break above here, I will test before I take a very larger trade to continue this market to the upside. And the continuation to the upside is even very, very sweet. It has from here right now is a very sweet trade. So I'll just delete all this, take all those ties off, and just show you something. What's the continuation to the upside? As in, what is the entire what's it called? Risk to reward of this trade. The risk to reward would be, hold on, from here to here. This is an impulse, a retracement. This is truly a retracement. The risk to reward would be, the first TP, the first tick profit will be 0.618720 from here right now is about about 200, 600. That's about 400, 600 pips to 0.382, and another 800 pips to 0.786. Remember, I gave this trade all the way from here that we're coming to 1.7000, which it came perfectly well. Then started doing a retracement again. And is this retracement in right now? We are just about to find out. And this is a very good trade if you bring our what's it called, projection in and take a trade from here we are right now and getting it to where we are here now. So I think we're coming back up here. These are first take profit, these are second take profit. I getting it to get there if this trade retraces from here we are right now. So our stop loss is tighter here, and this is what a very, very large risk to reward ratio. If I go to the 1 hour time frame of put it very well where we are. So I think this is a very good risk to reward. I will not put my stop loss underneath here. Why? Because the market isn't supposed to come back on that here again. So Just imagine this trade. Imagine this trade. Imagine this trade. How many risk to reward is that? 23 risk to reward. 23 risk to reward. So why go and trade an asset where what you're looking for is to make money in this market, right? So trade asset, or even though you're not taking that, this still is 17 risk to reward. Sweet short trade if it continues like this. But I said I should bring it to your attention and tell you that this is a very good trade. Are you getting it? Because if this market breaks below and continue going down, we're coming all the way down to take all this liquidity. So watch out. If you have capital, please enter this market right now. That's why I said I should do a quick update and show you what the market actually does with using movement. So don't put your stop loss underneath here. You might extend it down a little. Are you getting it? But don't put it underneath here, because if this market comes back underneath here, we might come and do a double bottom. Are you getting it? Well, I would like to take some tighter stop loss. Are you getting it? And also use 18 or 20 risk to reward, and also put some underneath here. Are you getting it? Underneath here also. So it depends on what you're looking at. This is a forest to reward, still a valid trade. Are you getting it? Because if this market wants to come down, it might just come down and take a lot of people out, do a little bit liquidity or a double bottom, then continue trending to the upside. We're supposed to wait for what's it called? Whatever the market wants to do. But I just said I should bring it to your attention so you can do your own analysis, do your own research. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, put your stop loss, whatever you believe you're supposed to put it, but use a proper risk and money management. Thank you. So this is what I have for you. It's a very short one and very short one for also. If you are scared of taking gold, you can come to EURAUD and GPUD. This is what I have for you for today. It's September 18th, 2020. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.